Hey guys, today I have one of my favorite fragrances to share with you. It's not going to be a surprise. Most of you already know about it. You already love it. It has a cult following, and it is none other than Xerjoff Lira. Now, I have done a video on Italica from Xerjoff, and I've talked about this fragrance in a bunch of different videos, which I will leave like my seasonal favorite fragrances. I'll leave that up here and down below. I have a fall and a spring one. This fragrance deserves its very own video. It's because it's stunning. Okay, I know it's expensive. Xerjoff fragrances are expensive, but it's so good. The fragrance, the juice inside is so unique. There's things that are close to Lira, but there's nothing that's like it. For me, the longevity on this is great. It just lasts. It does all the things I want it to in a good fragrance, and it smells divine. So the bottle is really beautiful. All of the Casa Marati fragrances look like this. They're a little bit different from the original Xerjoff fragrances, and they have their signature Xerjoff cap here. There's a little tassel on them as well. Visually very pretty. It looks kind of like an old school fragrance, and all of the visuals on it are nostalgic to me for some reason. But the actual juice inside, which is all I care about, is so delicious. It's a vanilla. It's a gourmand for sure, but it's such a unique, slightly spicy orange vanilla. Now, in the opening, you have blood orange, you have a little bit of lavender, I believe, and then in the middle notes, you have cinnamon, you have sandalwood, and then in the base is where you have vanilla, a little bit of musk. There's also some caramel in here, so what's cool about this is you get the orange, the juicy blood orange in the top. Cinnamon, sandalwood, caramel, and vanilla is what this scent really translates on me as. There is a little bit of jasmine as well, and there is some musky notes. So there is a slight powderiness that comes through, I think, with the musk primarily. The sandalwood adds this beautiful creaminess to it and a little bit of woodiness. The jasmine as a white flower adds a great balance, but it's the cinnamon with the caramel and the vanilla. That combo with that blood orange is so delicious. It's so good. The caramel and vanilla, it's not overbearing. It's not sickeningly sweet. It is just the perfect balance to that citrus where it's a boozy orange liqueur with a brown sugar. That concept of having like a dark boozy liqueur with a brown sugar cube in there and like an orange peel, that's the kind of vibe. And as it continues to dry down, that cinnamon starts to kick in. The orange is so delicious, and my mouth is watering. I can't form words. The caramel is great because it adds a different kind of sweetness. It's not just vanilla, which is what I think makes Lira unique to a lot of other citrus vanilla fragrances that exist. Lira is edible. Lira is something you can wear by itself. You can wear it mixed in with so many different fragrances. I love layering Lira with heavier scents. So leather scents, tobacco scents, oud scents, anything that is intense and rich, Lira just picks up and brightens up a little bit and lightens it. It's amazing going into warmer months if you want to wear it alone, but it's amazing during the daytime. Like, it's not overbearing, but at night it is just like come hither, like real feminine, seductive, sexy. It's confident, it's playful, it's bright. It's just an amazing fragrance. And on me, again, it lasts a really, really long time on my clothing. So I just wanted to remind you guys that although it is expensive, it lasts a pretty long time on me. If this fragrance was a person, she's someone who is wearing like a satin fit and flare maybe, or like a slip kind of dress. I don't know why, but it's like something that's like light and feminine and playful, and it's evening time on a summer night. It's just a hint of breeze, but there's warmth, but she just is like radiant. Her skin is glowing. Her whole aura is glowing. She's like fun to be around, cracking jokes, makes you feel really carefree, stress-free. she just is that kind of girl. She just is like fresh and light and airy and super sexy, but like in an effortless, not trying to be sexy way. If you are in the market for a really beautiful, slightly bougie spend this summer, I would suggest checking out Lira by Casa Murati. You can find tons of places online that do like little decants of them that you can buy for significantly less. Do that and then order the full size. But if you love like boozy, vanilla, gourmand type of scents, you're gonna love Lira. It's so beautiful. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Amazing fragrance. Leave a comment down below for me and let me know if you've tried Lira and or what your favorite sexy summer scent is. I would love to try out some of your guys' suggestions. But until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye, guys.